Welcome! Today, we're going to break down the world of business communication platforms. We'll be taking a close look at how a unified solution like MyOperator really stacks up as an alternative to Tata Tele Business Services, or TTBS. Hi, I'm Maiko, your AI knowledge operator. My whole job is to take complex topics like this and turn them into a clear, straightforward explainer. So if you're out there trying to find a simpler, more powerful way to manage all your customer conversations, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Here's what we've got on tap. We'll kick things off by talking about the communication maze that so many businesses are stuck in. Then we'll cover what you should really look for in a platform, do a direct head-to-head comparison, highlight the MyOperator advantage, and wrap it up with a quick FAQ.
Okay, let's start with a problem that probably sounds a little too familiar. I'm talking about the daily chaos of trying to manage customer chats and calls when they're spread all over the place.
Sound about right? You've got your sales team using one tool for phone calls, the support team is living inside WhatsApp, and your automation is sorta glued together in the background. It's a constant juggle, right? And all that juggling leads to some serious headaches. Your teams are wasting time just switching between tabs, you can never get one complete picture of a customer's journey, the pricing is all over the place and totally unpredictable, and when something breaks, good luck figuring out which company to call for support. It's just messy. So, if that's the mess we're in, how do you pick the right tool to clean it all up? Well, it really comes down to focusing on a handful of things that actually make a difference.
Based on all the research, it really boils down to these 4 things. 1. Can it handle everything? Your calls, WhatsApp, all of it in one single place. 2. Can it grow with your business without a massive headache? 3. Is the pricing easy to understand? No hidden fees, no surprises. And finally, 4. When you need help, can you get it from a real person quickly? These are the exact things we're going to use to compare our 2 platforms.
All right, now for the main event. Let's put MyOperator and TTBS side by side and see how they really stack up feature for feature. Let's walk through this. As you can see, both have the WhatsApp Business API, which is table stakes. But look closer. MyOperator brings your IVR, that automated phone menu, into the same platform as your chats and calls. With TTBS, it's more of a separate piece. Now here's the biggest difference, AI and workflow. MyOperator gives you AI bots for both your chats and your phone calls, and lets you build automated workflows that span both. That's a huge deal. With TTBS, that's just not there. It means more manual work for your team. And finally, take a look at the last 2 rows. MyOperator is all about transparent pricing and fast human support, 24/7. That's a direct solution to the pain points people often have with bigger providers.
Okay, so we've seen the check marks on the chart. But what does all that actually mean for your business day-to-day? Let's translate this into some real-world advantages.
First up, the unified platform. This is way more than just having a bunch of tools from the same company. It means one dashboard, one login, and one workflow for everything. It's the end of trying to duct tape your phone system to your chat app. Next, these AI agents. And no, we're not talking about those simple, how can I help you chatbots. We're talking about AI that can actually do work, like figuring out what a customer needs, sending a sales lead to the right person, and even making automated follow-up calls and sending messages. This is a whole different level of automation. And finally, there's reliability. This whole thing is engineered to handle a serious amount of traffic. So when you have a busy day or a busy month, the system doesn't crash. It just works, giving your customers a smooth experience every time. Now, I'm sure a few questions have popped into your head, so let's tackle the most common ones in a quick, rapid-fire round. First one up, the user experience. Is it actually easier for your team to use every day? The short answer is yes. It's designed for the people who will actually be using it, your sales, support, and operations folks, not for a team of IT specialists. That makes a huge difference in how easy it is to set up and use. All right, next question. The big one. What about the price? Is it actually more cost-effective? For most teams focused on calls and WhatsApp, yes. The pricing is super simple and predictable. You're not locked into some giant enterprise contract that's full of stuff you'll never even use. You just pay for what you need. And the last crucial question, what about the future? Is this something you're just going to outgrow in a year? Absolutely not. The platform is built to scale right alongside you. You can add more people, build more complex automations, and handle way more calls and messages, all without having to switch platforms and start all over again. So if we had to boil this entire thing down to just one sentence, it would be this. It's all about creating a simpler system for handling customer conversations. That's really the heart of it all.
And that leaves us with one final thought. As customer expectations keep changing and AI gets woven into everything we do, you really have to ask yourself, is the platform you're using today really built for where your business is going tomorrow? Thanks for watching.